Writing a Chase check correctly requires understanding 6 essential fields. Each field serves a specific purpose and must be filled out properly to ensure your payment is processed successfully. First, the date field is located in the upper right corner of your check. Always use the current date in MMDD YYYY format, such as 08/30/2025. Never post date checks unless specifically agreed upon with the recipient. Second, the pay to the order of line requires the recipient's full legal name or business name. Write clearly and legibly, avoiding abbreviations when possible. For businesses, use the exact legal name as it appears on their documentation. Third, the numerical amount box displays the dollar amount in numbers. Write the amount close to the dollar sign to prevent alterations. Use decimal points for cents, and if there are no cents, write .00. Fourth, the written amount line spells out the dollar amount in words. Write cents as a fraction over 100, such as 75 over 100. Draw a line from the end of the written amount to dollars to prevent alterations. Fifth, the memo line is optional but highly recommended for record keeping. Include account numbers, invoice numbers, or the purpose of payment. Examples include rent, September 2025, or invoice number 12345. This helps with tax preparation and expense tracking. Finally, the signature line requires your signature using the same signature you registered with Chase. Always sign in ink, never pencil, and ensure your signature matches your bank records. Never sign blank checks for security reasons. Here's an example of a properly completed check showing all 6 fields filled out correctly. Notice how each field is clearly written, the amount matches in both numerical and written form, and the memo line provides helpful reference information. When you receive a check, proper endorsement is crucial for secure deposit. The back of every check has a designated endorsement area where you must sign. For maximum security, write "for deposit only" above your signature. This restrictive endorsement prevents anyone else from cashing the check if it's lost or stolen. For mobile deposits through the Chase app, endorse with your signature and write "for mobile deposit at Chase." This specific endorsement is required for mobile processing. Chase checks include multiple security features to prevent fraud. These include microprinting, chemical protection against alteration, security watermarks, and unique routing and account numbers. Follow these security best practices. Store blank checks securely, monitor your account statements regularly, use gel pens to prevent alteration, and report lost or stolen checks immediately to Chase. Remember that Chase routing numbers vary by region. Always verify you're using the correct routing number for your specific branch location to ensure proper processing of your checks.